Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You're signed into your Family Link parent account, and the child device is online. First, open a browser and go to Accounts. Google.com, then sign in with your parent Google credentials. Once done, open the Family Link app on your phone or the Family Link section in your Google account settings on PC to locate the child profile. Make sure you can see the child device listed. This gives you the control panel to begin removing parental controls. Next, access the child's profile in Family Link and tap Manage Settings to view controls for Google Play, Chrome, and screen time. You need to disable time limits and app approvals first because some restrictions block account changes. Turn those toggles off. Then find the account info or parent access entry and choose Remove Supervision or Stop Supervision. You will be prompted to confirm using your parent password or two-factor method. Enter credentials and follow prompts so Google can process the remove. Finally, confirm the change on the child's PC. Sign out and sign back in or restart the browser, then verify the account no longer shows supervision. Make sure settings have synced. This can take a few minutes. If removal fails, check that both devices are online, update the Family Link app and the child's Chrome/OS, and wait 10 minutes before retrying. As a troubleshooting tip, gather account emails, device names, and exact error messages before contacting Google support to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.